What is up, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in. Not in my normal spot. I am doing laundry. He's chilling. I just got out of the shower, so I just wanted to do an impromptu on my bed. I felt this was the most comfortable. Today I am bringing all my July, I couldn't remember what month it was, Daily Goodie Box unboxing, as I have started doing. I haven't even opened it. Honestly, can't even remember what's in it. It's been a hectic day. I've been meaning to put this up and review, but I've been so busy doing other things. I just haven't had the opportunity with housework and you name it. So let's go ahead and dig in and let's see what goodies they have provided us with this month. The first one is Home Free Lemon Burst Cookies. I love this brand. They actually had sent us some in chocolate chip before and they were delicious. The next one is CBDMD Tropical Mix Gummies. It's 300 milligrams. I've never heard of this company, but I am interested to try these and see how they will taste. Miracle Tree Organic Moringa Superfood Energy Infusion Moringa Orange and Passionfruit Tea. So this is pretty interesting. Can't wait to try this out. Ooh, and I love this company. I've tried some of their body wash, actually from Daily Goodie Box as well. It is the Grandpa Soap Company Thylox Acne Treatment with 3% sulfur, and it's a natural bar. And I do have like hormonal acne, but it stays around for a while. Natrapel DEET-free insect repellent. Oil of lemon eucalyptus repels mosquitoes for up to 6 hours. Repels mosquitoes that may carry Zika virus. So that is going to come in handy for the rest of the summer. They also gave us a Eucalyptus plant pod plastic free tube, pure and simple in coconut flavor. I actually really love this brand. They have awesome chapstick. We have gotten so many chapsticks from Daily Goodie Box of this brand and we love them. We keep them around and they get used all the time. And then there's a little pamphlet from cbdMD and it's 25% off your entire order with code Goodie at checkout. And then this is also telling about the Moringa tea, the flavors they have, just some little info about that. So yeah, that was all of my July Daily Goodie Box. I hope that you all are doing super great and I will talk to y'all in my next one. Thanks for checking this one out. Bye everyone.